Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I guess I owe you guys an explanation to where I've been, I suppose. I'm just sat here at the moment in the back of the T5, which is now on the road and stuff, all MOT'd, and I've been driving around for a little while. Just sat here, just chilling at the view out the side with me coffee, and just having a, I suppose, 10 minutes out, which is all good for everybody and stuff, and all good for your health and stuff like that. But I know a lot of you guys, well, I say a lot of you guys, I've had quite a few private messages and stuff through Instagram and stuff asking the question, have I quit YouTube? The answer is nope, I haven't quit YouTube. I've just had some time out. I spent a bit of time, well, I suppose, trying to get my head back where it should be. Some of you know I deal with mental health and anxiety issues and stuff, and I'm quite open with it. I don't hide any of it, I suppose, is what you're trying to say. Sorry, bouncing around the camera because I was a bit uncomfortable. And unfortunately, it got to me a little bit, and yeah, I just took some time out. I went out the country for 3 years, I wish, 3 weeks, and had some proper good old chill out time with the family and stuff, and thoroughly enjoyed that. But as you do, we all know what it's like. You never want to come back, but I did. I'm back, and as you can see, I'm here now. Since I've been back, I've been getting on with a few bits, trying to catch up with some stuff that I was meant to do before I went away, which is what I've done. And I've started filming 2 videos on the abandoned T5, which is, as I said, now on the road. And yeah, hopefully by the end of the week you'll get another video, which will be a video on the T5. I don't know which one it'll be first, whichever one I finish first and get edited first. As I said, I got 2 of them done, and in my time, that process, when I've had some time to myself and chill out time, I've been ordering some parts and stuff for the T5, so we got some bits to get on with and stuff. And I've also got another T5 which I'll be filming very, very soon as well, which is a reasonably big project like this one is. So there's more content, T5 content. I seem to have gone from T4s and doing a lot of T4s to T5s for some reason. Is what it is. If you get offer things at the right prices and things like that, you just take what you got to do, I suppose. So yeah, I just got to really apologise to you guys, and I appreciate every one of you that's hung in there and not disappeared off the channel. And for the guys that have disappeared, then I totally understand. You haven't had no content, I think, for about 6 weeks or so, not decent content. So I totally get that. I am a one person by myself. I don't have anybody else that does any filming for me or anything else. So every job I do takes a long time. And the thing that a lot of people don't get is with the editing. Editing takes, it's almost like the same amount of time it takes you to film it, it takes you to edit it again. So it's a long-winded thing, and it's hard work. I'm not saying it's easy work in any way. And I'm not saying I'm scared of hard work, because that's quite the opposite. I'm really not scared of hard work at all. I will work my ass off and get on with anything I need to get on with. And it's just, I quite enjoy hard work, to be honest with you. But every now and again, as we all know, we've all got to have a bit of time away from something. And hopefully now my head's back in the correct place. And I'll get you some more videos out as soon as I possibly can. So to all you guys that thought I'd gone, no, I'm still about. Just having some time out like everybody needs to do. So thanks very much, guys, for staying with us and stuff. And hopefully I shall see you soon on another video. So peace out, guys.